Hello. I would like to show you how to find a scientific article when you know the author in your publication, information you would commonly see in a citation while reading another paper. For instance, I'm reading this 2020 article about diurnal variations in oxygen and nitrogen isotopes by Sarah Albertin and collaborators. In the introduction, I see a reference to Crutzen, 1979. Because Paul Crutzen is a Nobel Prize-winning chemist, I would like to know what he said as well. To find this reference, I'm going to go to the NASA Science Explorer website. If this is my first time using NASA SciX, I should select my discipline from the drop-down menu in the upper left corner. I'm choosing Earth Science. But regardless of my choice, I will have access to the full interdisciplinary collection of scientific papers. However, by choosing the Earth Science interface, I can use search and analysis tools that are tailored to my community. While I could just type Crutzen 1979 into the search bar, I'll have more control over my queries if I use field. Therefore, I'm going to pick author from the quick field list and add Crutzen between the quotes. For popular last names, you might want to add initials or a first name if you know those. Next, I'll pick year from the list of quick field, 1979. Now, clicking on the magnifying glass brings up a list of 6 papers that Paul Crutzen was an author on in 1979. From the citation, I know that Crutzen is the only author of the paper that I'm looking for. And 2 of these papers, he is the first and only author. These papers are cited by relevance, and looking at the first paper, the first author paper by Crutzen, and the title looks most relevant to the paper I was reading by Albertin et al. Furthermore, it's been cited more than 500 times. Clicking on the paper icon in the upper right-hand corner, I see that multiple versions are available, including 2 open access versions. Now, I have some more reading to do. Happy exploring.